are just so excited to have great community partnerships, and Addition is one of our best ones, so we're so thankful for that. And I just think that the amount of time our teachers and students spend in their classrooms and how wonderful to have a exciting space for them to come into to learn.
We've got our team here of everybody that was involved in selecting the winning school and helping with the design.
The way the classroom is used is for ESOL students. So it's everyone from 9th to 12th grade, and it could be any class, any history, art, math, anything that they need special help with. I wanted it to be something that incorporated nature because it's proven to relax the students. And then the teacher had also said that a lot of the students that come into the space don't have people that are motivating them at home. So she wanted there to be some type of mural wall that had motivational words that told them that it was going to be okay, that there was good things, that they were smart, that they were brave, that they could overcome anything that they encountered. And then also Child Services has some conversations in the space with families. So since she has a lot of really hard conversations, I wanted to incorporate a seating arrangement as well.
Take us all down to the classroom?
Absolutely. Well, let's go.
All right,
Let's start this way.